Welcome back to Business with Joe. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for success in the freelancing world: optimizing your freelance profile. Whether you're just starting out or looking to revamp your existing profile, these tips will help you stand out and attract the right clients. Let's get started. 1. Professional profile picture. First things first, let's talk about your profile picture. It's your virtual handshake with potential clients. Choose a high-quality, professional-looking photo. Make sure your face is well lit, and you're projecting the image you want clients to see. 2. Compelling headline. Craft a headline that grabs attention. Use keywords that reflect your skills and services. Think of it as your elevator pitch, a brief, powerful statement that sums up your expertise and what you bring to the table. 3. Comprehensive overview. Your overview is your chance to shine. Keep it concise, engaging, and client-focused. Highlight your skills, experience, and what makes you the perfect fit for their projects. Use bullet points for easy readability. 4. Showcase your best work. Your portfolio is a visual representation of your skills. Make it count. Showcase diverse examples of your best work. Provide detailed descriptions for each project, explaining your role and the impact you made. 5. Highlight relevant skills. List your skills strategically. Prioritize the ones most relevant to your target projects. Use a mix of broad and specific skills to cast a wide net. This section is what clients will use to find you, so make it count. 6. Experience and education. Detail your relevant work experience and education. Focus on achievements and outcomes in your work history. Highlight any certifications or training that boost your credibility. 7. Customize URL. Customize your profile URL for a professional touch. Use your name or a variation that's easy to remember. It not only looks cleaner but also makes it easier to share. 8. Professional tone. Write your profile in a professional yet approachable tone. Avoid jargon that might confuse clients. Grammar and spelling matter, so double-check for a polished impression. 9. Client testimonials. Nothing speaks louder than satisfied clients. Encourage them to leave positive testimonials. Showcase these prominently on your profile. It's social proof that builds trust. 10. Pricing and availability. Be clear about your pricing and payment terms. Specify your availability, your working hours and time zone. Transparency is key, and it sets the right expectations from the start. 11. Regularly update your profile. Don't let your profile gather virtual dust. Regularly update it with recent work, skills, and achievements. Keep it relevant and fresh to attract clients who are looking for what you offer now. 12. Utilize keywords. Incorporate relevant keywords throughout your profile. Think about what clients might search for when looking for freelancers with your skills. Optimize your profile for search engine visibility within the platform. 13. Call to action. End your profile with a strong call to action. Invite potential clients to reach out for projects or consultations. Provide clear instructions on how they can get in touch with you. There you have it, freelancers, a step-by-step guide to optimizing your freelance profile. Remember, your profile is your digital storefront. Make it inviting, showcase your best work, and let your unique personality shine through. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments which tip you found most useful. Happy freelancing, and I'll see you in the next video.